I know that some of you have questions as to why is it that I'm doing everything right. I am not seeing my hair grow. I am doing everything. I've bought all the products. I've done all the methods. What should I do? I think sometimes you might grow your hair and then you don't focus on length retention, and that sometimes can throw your entire hard work into the drain. That is why I'm here today to teach you some things that maybe should have gone without saying but were not said, and how you can help using that to grow your hair long, strong and healthy. So we're going to talk about, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NanaYaa Tresses here once again, or should I say is blonde deluxe. Yeah, so I know some of you watched my other video where I had this blonde wig on and I was like, you guys said it looks cute, so I was like, let me just throw it back. And that's why we are here today. Anyway, as you can see, I'm excited, and yes, I did throw it back to my bootleg wall. Oh man, so yes, I did record my 100th video on YouTube. Yeah, I'm excited. In the meantime, I want to get to 2,000 subscribers so I can do a little giveaway, give back to you guys for supporting me all this is. Anyway, that's not the premise of this video. Today's video is going to be about hair growth challenge. Okay, so yes, I know that some of you have questions as to why is it that I'm doing everything right. I am not seeing my hair grow. I am doing everything. I've bought all the products. I've done all the methods. What should I do? I think sometimes you might grow your hair and then you don't focus on length retention, and that sometimes can throw your entire hard work into the drain. That is why I'm here today to teach you some things that maybe should have gone without saying but were not said, and how you can help using that to grow your hair long, strong and healthy. So we're going to talk about post relaxer hair care today. I know that it was requested after I did my pre-relaxer hair care video, so a post relaxer video was requested, so it looks like I have to go through that today. Okay, so let's say today's your relaxer day. You've gone through the entire process of what you're supposed to do before you get a relaxer done. Relaxer day, what's up? What do you do? I'm about to break it down for you. Number one, after you get your before you get your relaxer, you obviously know that you're not supposed to have water in your hair or washed your hair at least 72 hours prior, all that good stuff. If you don't know it, go check out the video. I'll provide a link in the description box. Go check out that video before you watch this one. So fine, the stylist has put on your relaxer. You know for how long you should leave your relaxer on. Again, already covered. Go check out that video as well. And now the relaxer is done. She's washed it out. After you wash it out of the water, please neutralize your hair with the neutralizing shampoo. Again, I'm going to try and provide some examples that I find on this side of the screen to make it very easy for you to see. So you neutralize your hair with the neutralizing shampoo. Always use a neutralizing shampoo of the relaxer you are using. Why? Because they work with the same pH. So the relaxer has a particular pH, and whatever neutralizing shampoo comes with it is meant to offset that pH. I hope you get me. Again, if you watch my relaxer video, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So please use the neutralizing shampoo that is meant for that particular relaxer. Moving on. So after you neutralize your hair, please try and neutralize your hair 3 times. I know it might seem extreme, but trust me, better safe than sorry. It's always best to have overprotected your hair than to not have protected it at all. Okay, so just for the sake of safety, please neutralize your hair 3 times. Then you follow up with a moisturizing shampoo of sorts. Afterward, you can go in with a protein treatment like right after. Some people use the Olaplex, brothers and sisters. I have never tried any of that. I'll try and find one and then use it in my hair and then let you guys know what I think about it. But in the meantime, there are various reviews of the Olaplex range. Mind you, there's no sponsored. I'm just saying what I know. You can check them out on YouTube and see for yourself. But you can also use a regular protein treatment. One that I can recommend that I have personally used is the ORS Deep Hair Mayonnaise. The hair mayonnaise, you can put that in your hair. Let it sit again for the required time, whether that is 15 to 30 minutes with heat. Again, with a shower cup underneath the dryer. Then you can wash it out and then fill up with a moisturizing deep conditioner. Again, you can use the ORS replenishing conditioner. That's if you're using the ORS brand, or any moisturizing deep conditioner of your choice. please make sure that you follow up a protein treatment with a deep condition. Again, if you watched my video, you know what I'm talking about. I'm sorry if I sound like a broken record, but I like to make references to what I've already covered so that, you know, we don't keep repeating everything over again. Okay, so after you're done with the protein treatment, you follow up with a moisturizing deep condition. Then you can go ahead and style your hair like you usually would. Some people blow dry their hair and straighten it on their relaxer days. Others, like me, do a normal relaxer. Whatever works for you, please do that. And if you're due for a trim, please trim your hair. Don't try to hold on to dead ends that should be let go of. Trim those ends. It's best to at least stay on top of your trims. That way you don't have to do a major haircut. Mind you, this is something I was doing initially. Like, my hairdresser would be like, oh, your hair's fine. Like, the ends look okay. You don't need to trim it. And then I would just do light dustings along the way without getting an actual trim. And then at the end of the year, I'll have to do like a huge haircut to start the year, like I did this year. I don't want to repeat that mistake. So this goes for both of us. Please make sure that at least you schedule your trims with your relaxer. So if you're relaxing your hair 4 times every year, maybe you can skip one relaxer, but then in the next relaxer, get the trim done. Okay? Get rid of all those dead ends. They need to go. Okay? Alright. Then afterward, like I said, you can style your hair however you want to. So now moving on to a week after a relaxer or your next wash day after a relaxer. What should you do? Depending on how your hair is feeling, personally, again, this is a personal thing. Knowing that I've taken my hair through a lot of stress on my relaxer day, I like to do another protein treatment again. Mind you, the reason why I use the ORS hair minus is because it's not a very hard protein treatment. It's medium protein treatment. So I know that's not like hard, it's not going to leave my hair crunchy. But if you use something like Afro-G or any of the brothers and sisters, it can leave your hair feeling like very strong. So I go again with my ORS hair minus and then again with a moisturizing deep conditioner so that I can restore back the strength into my hair a week after I've done my relaxer day. Or sometimes if I wash my hair like 4 days after my relaxer, I do this process again. A protein treatment, a moisturizing deep conditioner, then wash and style my hair as usual. Okay, so that's it for your relaxer hair care with regards to, you know, length retention and, you know, restructuring some strength back into your hair. I hope this video was helpful to you. Be sure to give this video a very huge thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anybody that you think is going to benefit from this video. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.